so beautiful. And we have new life. I love you so much. They came back up. They came back up after the cold wind and the little bit of snow that we had the other day. Oh, it's so beautiful out. Trying to enjoy it. And now I am over here in the little purple lavender field. It actually came early this year, but it is so vibrant and so gorgeous. There's still some little purple phlox. See right in there. This is a field north of where I live. It's actually so beautiful here. And they made tracks so you can walk a little further here, right in here. Ooh. Nature is definitely my little healer. And here's this little nugget gem, my little froggy pond. You see the little froggies? I love this. It's quite refreshing, and it's just very serene. And I just feel at peace out here. And I love the water. I'll dip my feet in every once in a while and touch it. I feel it's up there with another sweet little frog. They're having fun today. Swimming day. And one last but not least is my little cedar tree here that's been growing. And they say that they're going to dig it out and going to replant it so it can expand even more. I like it right where it is. When I water my flowers, I've been watering it too, and that's what caused it to be so abundant and so, to grow and sprout, and I just absolutely love it. It's my little baby, and he actually got Christmas lights put on him this year, and it was so beautiful, and I like having him there. So these are some of my favorite little nature's gems here in my own backyard. So